Beautiful. Roast beef, baby. We got ourselves a beef eye round roast. 2 of them. We're gonna make us some roast beef. A little bit off. All right. Put this over here. Go ahead and take that off. Got this baby up. Now we about to season it up. It's gonna be some good roast beef. So we gonna cook this about a couple of hours. Let it get up to about 125. Take it off, smoke it, favorite temp, 250. I got my rub I made up. It's just a tablespoon of everything. Tablespoon of lard, tablespoon of pepper, tablespoon of garlic powder, onion powder, and tablespoon of oregano. Season we go. Got some paprika in here too. Get her slap, side coverage, front coverage. That season smell good. Throw this in the fridge. Let it sit for a day or 2. Get on the smoker. Have some fun. Yeah. Right, we got this eye round. It's a baby one. Yeah. We're gonna put this on here. Let it come up to about 125 degrees internal on the meat. Gonna check on it. About an hour. See where we at. Ooh. Check this out, y'all. We had this on about an hour, 10 minutes, 275 degrees. Time to come on.
All right.
This is beautiful. See how we cooked it? We got it done a little faster than expected. But we still looking good. Yeah, like roast beef, baby. I like the way that's looking too, boy. That's roast beef there. I like it.
Smell good too.
Yeah, baby. So there you have it, y'all. This eye round. This was a nice small one. So like I said, it didn't take that long. Maybe about an hour and a half at best. Real simple and easy to cook. Thank you very much. Catch y'all on the next one.
Thank you for visiting Darryl King Barbecue. We appreciate your time. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have an awesome day. See you again soon.